So hello friends, today I am going to tell you some ways to prevent from the new strain of COVID. So firstly I will tell you about the new strain of COVID. So COVID-19 is a contagious illness and the new variants only make it more dangerous and transmissible. Considering the severity of the second wave of coronavirus in India, experts believe that the cocktail of variants is what led to the devastating state of the country. By nature, viruses are meant to mutate. This suggests that the possibility of more COVID variants are high and unavoidable. In such a case, what we can do is protect ourselves from the virus which with the precautionary measures and keep away from high risk areas. So now I will tell you ways to prevent from the new strain of COVID-19. So the first one is maintaining social distance. So even if you test positive for COVID-19, you cannot determine whether you have been infected with the original or the new coronavirus strain. However, the contamination process may be the same for everyone. One of the easiest ways to contract the virus is through physical contact. Being in the company of more than one person only increases your chance to catching the virus and spreading it to other people. It becomes extremely important that you avoid public gathering and maintain social distance at crowded places. So here also you can see that two friends are maintaining social distance. They are 6 feet away from each other. And the second one is role of double masks. Whether you use surgical mask, cloth masks, or are more comfortable with the N95 mask at a time when new COVID strains are looming around in our environment, you must resort to double masking. As per research, it helps to reduce the risk of catching the infection, especially when you visit crowded areas which could be highly infectious. So here also in the image it is shown that we have to use 2 masks. So please use 2 masks. And the last, that means the third one, is frequent sanitization and washing of hands. As we have seen before, practicing good hand hygiene and disinfecting surroundings frequently can be the simple biggest win against the pandemic. While coronavirus can stay on some surfaces for days and weeks at a stretch, good hand washing, sanitizing can wipe off germs after your exposure to a high risk place and cut down your risk of infection. Washing hands frequently for at least 30 seconds is also important. If you indulge in any risky activity touching eyes, nose, mouth with dirty hands also exposes you to dangers of spread. If hand washing isn't available, use a good quality hand sanitizer which has 60% alcohol content in it. Remember to minimize your risk of contact when you go out, as even the smallest dose can transmit the virus. Adequate hand hygiene, disinfection, social distancing, double by wearing double masks still remain to be the best forms of the vaccines against the novel coronavirus pandemic. Here you can also see that the people are disinfecting the things and washing the hands. If we will follow preventives and do whatever the government is telling us, we will definitely win the war against coronavirus. So at the last, I would thank you for watching this my video. Thank you everyone.